How to install texture packs in Minecraft Bedrock. So first, just close off your Minecraft and open up your browser. Now, once you are on your browser, just search for Minecraft Bedrock texture pack. And I suggest that you use Planet Minecraft since this is the one that I use and this is a trusted website. Simply click on that link. Once you're there, I'm just going to set this to free. So since we're going to use a free texture pack. And for the game version, we're going to set it to Minecraft Bedrock. And as you can see, I have it right here. I'm also going to set it to best right here at the top to see all the best ones. So this has 181,000 views. So I'm going to use this one right here, which has 133,000 views and 44,000 downloads. So just click on it and we have it right here. So the latest release. I'm just going to click on the latest release right there, then click on continue. And now this will pop up, just simply click on save. And just wait for it to download, so it's just downloading right there. Now once it's done downloading, just open up your file manager, then go to downloads and just double click on the pack that we have downloaded. And it will open up Minecraft Bedrock and it will load right here. It says import started and just wait for it to import. And as you can see, successfully imported the RTX MC pack. Now we could just go to play and just set it to a new world, or you could also create an existing one. For me, I'm going to create a new one right here. So create new world. And I'm just going to set it to JG RTX. I'm going to set it to creative. Then here on the resource packs on the left side, click on that. Then click on owned right here. And as you can see, JG RTX right there. Just click on activate. And when you go to active, as you can see, it is now set to active. And now just simply click on create and wait for the world to load. And now, as you can see, the world has been loaded and the texture packs has been added right here. So you can see there are different reflections and the shadows are nice. The lightings are nice right here. It looks very realistic. As you can see, the grass right here looks amazing. That's how I basically install texture packs in Minecraft.